you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and we're about to do some late night cooking. Maybe you just want to watch a movie late at night or cook something for the next day. Well, I got a recipe for you that's a wonderful recipe. Tonight, we're going to do some glazed jerk fish with some jerk spiced rice and beans. Oh, yes. Let me show you how to make it. It's pretty easy, and yes, you use your oven. All right, let's get to it. I have in this bowl some fish fillets that have been soaking in water and low sodium soy sauce. See that? That's low sodium, yeah. Just to give it that flavor. Now, I'm going to take each fish fillet and put it in a pre-oiled ceramic dish, or Pyrex dish in this case. Now I'm adding, jerk seasoning, Jamaican jerk, to each portion of the fish. Flip it over and season the other side. Not too heavy if you want a lighter taste, otherwise it's going to take a lot to eat that. You know what I mean? Spice. Now, let's make the glaze that's going to go over top of that. Like my new bowls? Yeah, Miss Brenda gave those to me. Oh, take some sweet and sour. Very simple. Pour a good amount in there. Come on, Uncle Chris, don't be stingy. Pour a little bit more. There you go. There you go. Now, take you some of your Jamaican jerk spice. Yes, put that in there too. I would say just about a teaspoon. I'm adding a little too much. You know, I'm like heavy on the spice. Now, take you some low sodium soy sauce. Yep, that's the low sodium. Put in a few drops, as much as you like. So this is just a taste. Now mix it thoroughly. What? Did I just drop that? Oh, well, it wouldn't be me if it wasn't some type of accident. Mix that in there thoroughly, okay? Because you have to have the spice throughout the sauce. Otherwise, it will not glaze correctly. Okay, let's get that. See? That looks really good. Oh, that's good. That's good right there. Now, let's put that over the fish. Cover each one completely. Yes, don't miss a spot. Yep. And take the back of the spoon and just spread it over there. There you go. Oh, look at Uncle Chris go. Look at Uncle Chris go. Yeah, I had fun doing this. Can you tell? Now, once you've done that, you're going to put a little bit of the soy in there. You know, the marinade? Yes. Into there. Not too much, just enough, okay? See? Now let's put this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Now I've got 2 cups of boiling water right here. So I'm going to put in 2 cloves of garlic. 1, 2. I love garlic, you know that. Now we're going to add 1 pack of salt-free chicken bouillon. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of our Jamaican jerk seasoning. Gotta flavor that rice. Now you can add as much as you want or as little as you want. I like mine to be a little spicy. Y'all know your Uncle Chris by now. In goes 1 cup of rice. Remember, 2 cups liquid, 1 cup rice. So you always double the liquid to the amount of rice you put in, okay? That is how you get your perfect rice. Yes. Now let's cover that and let it cook until all the liquid is gone. In this pot, we're going to heat up our beans. We just put them on in. We got black beans I'm using. Hey, this is a way you get rid of some of those beans you get from the food pantry. That's right. Now, once you put your beans in, you're going to do the same thing you did with your rice. You're going to add, yes, the jerk seasoning, because you've got flavor all through this dish, and it is going to be so good. Now the rice and beans are done. Look at that. Perfect rice. Perfect. We're going to fluff it up a bit and we're going to add our beans to it. Now look at that. Perfect mixture of beans and rice. And it's already Jamaican jerk flavored. Now, let's plate this dish. Look at that, nieces and nephews. A lovely dish. Tasty and guess what? Good for you and good for the waistline. Look at that, nieces and nephews. Look at that. The dog is chewing down over there. This came out so good. A nice late night dinner. But it's still light. With a movie. Ooh. Some fish, some rice. Blow it because it's hot and nice. That's a good combination. Yeah. What do I want you to do? Of course. Like, comment, subscribe. Write to me. Of course, I want to hear from you. Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. All this weekend, I'm going to try to do some late night cooking for you. Some fun party time cooking. Maybe some I drank too much cooking. Not me. No. Okay. I'm going to finish the rest of this and feed some hungry people over here. Yeah. And thank you. Help us out with anything you can. Buy me a cup of coffee because we need to pay those medical bills for Shy. They're a little bit overwhelming. All right. And to the wonderful person that bought those cups of coffee, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. All right. Till next time. Big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.
Everyone's looking.